Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the bird watching info card for the Winter Greater Flamingo, like this. This is the one of the special winter frost birds. During this winter frost on week two there are four new special winter birds, and this is one of them. So, and to get this info card, first just make sure you have already accepted the quest called Winter Birds on Duty from NPC Bailey J. This quest is required, so don't skip this step. And then next just head to the suburban lake area, which is spread around the town over here. Like over here, and then in here, and then on here. Just explore the lake area slowly and keep an eye out for the bird. And once you find the bird, just equip your birdwatching tools and then just simply tap the camera icon to take a photo of the bird like this. And after taking the picture, the info card for this bird will be unlocked. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.